Hello, today I'm in BMW Series 2. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage doors and lock settings. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display. From the menu, select Settings and go to Doors and Keys. Now you can select key button between all doors or driver doors only. Next, you can select tailgate button between tailgate or tailgate plus doors. Next, in doors and key, you can enable or disable automatic relock, lock after driving away, and you can enable turn signals for lock and unlock. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.